So hi guys, welcome to Kalami, Cebu. Today we're gonna start a series featuring Cebu's best and iconic food items. So for our first episode, we're gonna feature Pungko-Pungko. We're here at Pungko-Pungko sa Fuente. So kung mangita mo Pungko-Pungko, this is like the center of it all in Fuente, Osmeña. So what's here? Basically we have fried innards. This is the ginabot. Pork chop. Chop lang na. Mumbo. So tauge. May taasan. Ngohiong. Kurela. Pinupusan. Rinyon, kidney. Ganisa. Of course, kung natin si Cebu, we don't serve rice lang yan. We serve it in puso, ginigamo. So we eat puso. This is hanging rice. So it's rice wrapped in coconut leaves. This is the typical lunch of normal Cebuano, from students to working people, because this is cheap, fast, and very delicious. So if you're in Cebu, you better check this out, man. Pungko-Pungko.
Palit na mo! Di ay kanton!